Hey friends, if you wish to make Yahoo your homepage on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Microsoft Edge and then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings, go to Appearance, scroll down and then click on this option here. For Home button, click on Set Button URL and then you can scroll down and the new tab page, sorry, this one, when Edge starts, click on Open These Pages, click on Add a New Page and name it yahoo.com. Hit enter or click on Add. Now close this and then open this and you'll notice that yahoo.com opens. Basically whatever has been mentioned there will be opening at the home page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.